All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do a quick lesson on how to add a product to a WooCommerce WordPress store. So what we're going to do is log into our dashboard by going to whatever your domain name is /WP-admin and then logging in. Now, of course, we're already logged in. So just go to your dashboard by clicking at the top left, click Outdoor Shenanigans. There you go. Adding a product is pretty simple. All we're going to do is go on the left-hand side underneath products. There you go, and hit add new. All right, now the first thing we're going to do is add the title of the product once it loads. So add your product. Let's go ahead and add one of your bracelets on here. All right, and then you see your permalink. Permalink looks pretty good. Teal dash. Well, it actually doesn't. Click out of there and see if it updates that permalink for you. Just click in.
How? Back up?
No, just click in the white space down below. Yep, no, it did not. So let's update that to they're gun earrings, right?
Yes.
So remember, when we are dealing with search engine optimization, we want to have, in our titles, in our permalink, we want to have the word like gun earring, like the generic, term that we would want somebody to search for. So I would say teal feather gun earrings.
Bullet earrings, maybe?
Bullet earrings, sure, absolutely.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. All right, and then, yep. I would say teal dash feather dash bullet dash earrings. All right, and then on the right-hand side, the next thing we're gonna do is categorize them. So let's go over to the right and do our categories. So for us, it would be apparel and accessories, right?
I don't know if I should make an own category because I have a category that says outdoor shenanigans apparel, and then I have one that says outdoor shenanigans home and decor because I've made a couple clocks.
I would absolutely use. I would absolutely put a category, add a new category, make the parent your apparel and accessories.
Okay, so we probably need to go in and add that then.
Well, you can actually add a category using the button right below.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
So see that? So add a category and call it, gun earrings, or whatever.
They're like homemade jewelry, so I don't know if I should say outdoor shenanigans specialty jewelry or.
I would have search engine optimization in mind when choosing your categories. So I wouldn't even use outdoor shenanigans. I would use whatever somebody would go to Google and search for. So I would literally just
bullet jewelry.
Yeah, bullet jewelry. Yep.
Okay.
And then your parent category is going to be what? Outdoor shenanigans, accessories, apparel and accessories, right? Or do you have?
I think all I have it out as right now is outdoor shenanigans apparel, but I can go in and add accessories.
No, this is good. This is good. I like this a lot. So,
I want to make this better. There's too many categories.
There's way too many categories.
And that's what I was saying, that I want to make the shop cleaner looking and more professional. Because right now I don't like this. All right, right here, apparel.
Yep, good, got it, boom. All right, and then hit, it'll create the category when you hit publish.
Okay.
So now you would add your description, all right? So, have your H1 tags or H2 tags or H3 tags. The more content you have, the more search and optimization you have. So, I would go in and create, heading 1, these handcrafted bullet earrings, XYZ product feature benefit.
I don't know. I lost blank.
Yeah, I mean, you'll have to go and, you know.
Yeah, we'll do this later. I'll sit down and figure this out
But
later.
then what you want to do, just to finish adding the product, is on the right-hand side down below, you want to add a featured image. You always have to have a featured image. That's going to be your main product image. So go ahead and grab one and put it in.
So the gallery image?
No, a featured
No.
image, the one above, product image.
Oh, right here.
Yep. Yep. And then you just grab whatever image that you've got for it.
I don't know if I have one of these saved on my computer. I might have to download one. All right, I don't.
For now, just for the heck of it, just put in one of the bracelet ones.
All right.
And then you would hit set product image. Bottom right. All right, now on the left-hand side, or actually underneath Yoast SEO, it's going to have to be. We're not going to go into Yoast SEO for this call, but keep scrolling down. There we go, product data. So you've got your regular price, which always is like your MSRP. Then you've got your sale price, all right,
Okay.
which is what you're actually going to sell it at. So then you've got your shipping, and shipping is important because we want to make sure that we're not losing our behind on shipping. So what you want to do is you want to add something, you know, for a shipping class. So hit the drop down button. We don't have shipping set up, so we'll have to do that. So in general, you'll choose a shipping class that you've already set up. We'll have to create a separate video for that.
Okay.
But then you've got linked products, which is a very cool option here, where you can actually link it to other products that people will see on their upsell. So when they add it to the cart, you use upsell, and it actually shows them that product after they're looking at their cart. Or a cross-sell, which is basically shows them other pieces of stuff that they might be interested in. Under inventory on the left-hand side, this is where you're going to track your inventory and decide if a customer is going to be able to purchase it after they sell out. So what you want to do is hit enable stock management at product level. Oops, not that one.
Nope, that one.
Yep, that one there. And you would add your stock quantity, if you're going to allow back orders or not, and the system will email you if your stock gets to a certain threshold. So if you get below 2, it'll send you an email. But then you've got your 3 choices: allow the customer to just place a back order, allow them and notify them it's on back order, or just allow. And you can make the decision based on what's best for you and your business.
Okay.
So from there, you've got your product short description, which is basically like at the top of the product. All right. So, so in fact, let me just, I'll go over here to request remote control real quick, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Your short product description is basically on outdoor shenanigans. Your short description is going to be, where's your store here? How do I get to your store?
Right there, shop. Right there where you're, yep.
So your short description is this stuff here. Anything up in this area that you want shown is going to be your short description. So right here is the title of your product. Right here is your product image. Obviously, it's not showing up for some reason. And then down below is your actual description. I don't know why it's not loading. That's very odd.
I don't know.
It's interesting. You've got this one loading. Maybe it's just taking.
I think my internet might be going slow. I've been having issues.
Yeah, it looks like it. So, so that's your short description is going to be up here. This is going to be your product image. This one here. Then these are your gallery images.
Okay.
Your description is going to be below all of that, and this is your actual description right here. So then you of course have additional information if you want it, which they've got specs in here, and that's all controlled right here on the product page.
Okay.
So that's pretty much it. You've got some more options that you can do, minimum, maximum quantities. These are other plugins that you can add. You've got Facebook that you connect to, but yeah, that's pretty much in a nutshell how to add a simple product, not a variable product like a t-shirt. We'll have to do something else for that.
Okay.
Boom.